Hey, welcome back to the Nets, your one-stop channel for scores, games, predictions, news, and transfers. I do have with me Rohan today, a little bit disheartened Rohan, a massive Rajasthan Royals fan, as we know. So before we start, I would just say hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give me a shout out. But going back to Rohan, my first question. I'm jumping into it straight away. What does Rajasthan Royals do, or what is it that uh, Rajasthan Royals have to avoid to make a mistake? And the bigger question is, what does Jaydev Unadkat have on the Rajasthan management that he gets a chance to play every single game?
Goodness, man, goodness. Hi, Kayur. Thanks for having me back again. And you're right. I mean, I'm so disappointed because, I knew that this is going to happen. So what happened was at the end of the 18th over, I walked out of the room, told my wife, just we are going to talk for 5 minutes. I won't do anything. This is my way of, calming down myself because I knew that Unadkat has got the ball and we are going to lose. Okay. But I was just wishing maybe, maybe something will happen. And my fear was true. I mean, three sixes, and we were gone right there. And I don't know what you're right. I mean, if they don't drop him now, I don't think so. They are going to drop him because I think something is wrong somewhere. I don't know what is wrong. But as we talked last time also, I think so he has got a domicile of Rajasthan or something. But ridiculous,
But
man. I mean, how can you give him the ball? He has got a track record of getting hit, right? He has got a track record. So I don't know what's going to happen. But apart from that, I think it was a good game for Rajasthan. We didn't win, but we played well. I mean, there were a lot of positives. But yeah, my answer to that question is I want to abuse, but I can't. So
so, do you think by any means Smith's personal mindset and his personal form is affecting the team's results?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Of course, if Smith is not doing well, we have put all our hopes in him. He has not performed well, and that has kind of given us a couple of victories. But I think so. A little bit of strategy, I think so, has gone wrong. Not a little bit actually, because Uthappa coming and opening was had to happen at the beginning of the season. I we actually are wasting him. We actually were wasting him down there, and that was showing up. I mean, he was taking too much time. The ball got softer, and he couldn't hit the ball. But today it worked out. And Smith also came off because he was coming in too early because we were losing wickets too early, and he got a little bit of time and he played well again today. But I still don't agree with Ben Stokes coming in and opening the innings. I don't agree with that at all. That's just a weird, move. Just that you have paid him, you can't make him open, right? This is not how it works.
I mean, with Ben Stokes and Ben Stokes' history, we all know Ben Stokes performs a lot better when he is under pressure.
Yeah,
He is
true.
not a player who you just give the bat and say, go, the world is your
Right.
oyster. You know, Ben
Yeah.
Stokes starts performing more, give him like 40 or to win from 2 overs, and he will try to make that happen for you.
Yeah, yeah. He'll do it. He would have done a Tevetia, I mean, couple of times. I know that. Just that the opening pair hasn't worked, and Rahane left, and that is hurting them this season. They gave up Rahane, and they are getting it back now because we needed him for that stability up front. And every team that is doing well has got stability up front. If you look at it, even Devdutt for RCB is doing really well. And, so many players, openers are doing well, and those teams are doing well. It's pretty easy. Look at Dhawan, who can't play. I mean, he can't play in the
He's not
IPL.
a T20 player. I mean, if white ball, I would trust him with ODIs more than I would trust him with
Yeah,
T20s.
truly. I mean, I'm just talking T20s. He is not a good player of the T20 format, and he's doing well because of his experience, sheer experience.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so Rahane is being wasted at Delhi, and he's not. He's out of Rajasthan, so I don't know what's going to happen to him. But
I
yeah, I mean,
still feel that Rajasthan, of all the teams that are lacking in the last, I would say, apart from the top three, there are four teams who are struggling. Punjab is, pretty much they are done and dusted. Punjab,
yeah.
I do not see making them a comeback. But of all
Chennai,
the other three teams that are struggling, I think Rajasthan probably has the best balance. They
true,
have
true.
probably
It
got the
is.
best balance.
That is why it's so frustrating, man, because we have got the team, but just having outside players is not the thing that will win you the IPL, right? You have got great players because last year also this happened, right? Butler left and then we got killed by everyone, right? This is what happened last year. And this year also we are putting too much of onus on the big players. If you have the big players, don't just send them in the top three, yaar, because you're paid for them. It's
And
ridiculous.
you mentioned that, but the other thing that I've always found interesting, and I have said that many a times, is Rajasthan always used to bank on Indian talent. And with
Yeah.
Smith, I feel that he is not showing faith in Indian talent. And if you notice, the three games that Rajasthan has won has been because of Tewatia and one Sanju Samson.
Yes, yes, you're
So, in
completely right.
spite of that, he
Yeah,
keeps favoring
yeah,
overseas players, and for some
yeah.
reason, he continues with uh, what was the
I
bowler? I
let's
don't
not
even
mention.
Unarkat. I
Let's
have
not mention the name again. Let's not mention the name again. But some positives from today's game. Karthik Tyagi is bowling so well, man. I mean, he didn't even let ABD, hit any good shots. So that's a huge achievement. I know Archer got a little bit hit around at the end, but I mean, Archer is Archer. If he gets a little bit of support in the bowling department, you know, it can be. So I'm not too unhappy with the performance. Just that Unadkat, man, come on,
so
drop him for good, please.
and okay, so I do understand maybe, and the way T20 is played these days, we do know that the 19th over is probably the most important one.
Yeah, yeah,
You more than the 20th, you try to get the wickets in the 19th, and then 20th you
true.
leave them a sizable total and
Yeah,
hope the batsman makes a mistake. With Unadgat, they gave him the long boundary. And even then, he was trying to bowl it in ABD's arse. And ABD, I mean, let's be honest, ABD would have killed anybody. But
yes, yes.
you still had a better chance of keeping somebody like a Karthik Tyagi or keeping Archer
Yeah,
there
yeah, yeah.
just to
It was
give
a
ABD the
tactical
long
mistake.
boundaries.
You're completely right. It was a tactical mistake because Smith is not Warney, right? He is not Warney. But I think so. He should listen to him. He should have an earplug or something with him all the time. Just ask Warney what to do. That's about it.
And
It's so easy.
the other thing that I find is I feel that for some reason, Riyan Parag is, he's underrated. I feel he has tons of talent. The kid has talent, but for some reason they keep pushing him further down and down. And
Yeah,
I think that's going to, even Yashasvi Jaiswal for that matter, I would have persisted with him.
of course, of
Considering the
course.
current form that Smith is in, Yashasvi
Yeah.
Jaiswal would have given you the exact same thing had you trusted him.
The same thing that Rahane would bring on the table,
Yes.
Yashasvi would give you that. You give them confidence, man. You can't just drop them. So I think so. The Warney template that to encourage, you're right, to encourage new talent and give them 5 to 6 games has gone out of the window. We are just putting all the onus on the big players, and that won't work out. I mean, we have seen with other teams also. Whenever they have tried to do that, RCB, look at RCB, they are putting their faith this year in young talent and Indian talent, and it's coming off kind of. They'll make it to the um uh, last four, I suppose. So I mean that's
You
and
mentioned RCB, and I feel that currently in all the three teams that are consistently doing well, Mumbai and Delhi and RCB,
I
all
know,
three
man.
of
You look so happy. You look so happy.
all three teams, if you look at it, they're banking more on Indian talent, and that is what is keeping them alive. Like we do have Pollards, we do have the Rabadas who come in and give you those wickets once you need them. But even then, if you look at Delhi
Yeah,
banked on
yeah.
Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan, and Rishabh Pant up the order. And RCB's contingency of the bowling, Siraj coming in, Saini is outstanding. I think Saini is going to be a big name in Indian cricket.
I think so. Sani and Palikal are the difference this year.
Yes.
Both in I mean, batting and bowling. But if Saini weren't there, they would have struggled. I mean, I'm sure because Siraj is going to go for runs just like Unadkat. I know that.
Siraj
So
will have his moments, but Siraj, I think that at least he has the ability to get wickets once in a while. I do not know what keeps Unadkat still playing. I have no idea. I mean,
it's a million
Siraj at
dollar
least
question,
has
man.
pace. I
It's
think
a
the only variation Unadkat has is the slower ball. But besides that, I do not really see him adding much to, like definitely not a 19th over bowler for me.
bro, the faster ball is the change up, man. He bowls slowly. Come on. Come on,
Yeah, but
let's not beat around the bush. Unadkat, I think so, debuted for India in 2010 in a test match, and it's 2020, man. You can't do this in 2020. You have got 10 to 15 years of experience. You can't be doing it as a professional cricketer. I mean, we don't know much. We have not played cricket professionally, but you can ask the experts also. They will tell you that it is a huge underachievement in any sphere of life. If you're not doing well in 10 years, when will you do well? So,
I agree. And you bring an amazing point here. Unadkat made his debut in 2010. And right now, if you look at the pace quartet that we are having that is playing test consistently, we are moving them around the round robin all the time. But if
yeah,
you look at it, somebody like Unadkat would never have played Indian cricket at this point of time. So that actually tells you how Indian cricket has grown in the last 10
of
years.
course, of
And
course.
kudos to
But
IPL for that.
he had a great chance, and so did Khalil to make it to the Indian team because they were left armers. And after
Yes,
Zaheer, we haven't had a good left armor, and Nehra.
absolutely.
Uh,
Agreed.
So they have ruined their chances themselves because even Khalil had a great chance and he ruined it. So yeah, let's not go there. I mean, for Rajasthan, I think so. If they drop Unadkat or trade him right now, if the trade window is open, I believe they have to. Or is it closed now?
No, no, it's okay. They can
Why
still make
aren't they
purchases.
using it? Why aren't they using it? Just trade the hell out of him.
And the thing right now is one of the things that I feel that Rajasthan can benefit from is getting an Indian bowler, Indian talent, even if it's Khalil, I don't care, but somebody who can
Anybody.
reinforce that bowling lineup.
True, true. Like they got Tyagi. I mean, he's a great bowler.
And
Can he?
yeah, he's going to be a big name. You just know
He's
with the way he approaches and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
his run up.
And imagine, doing well in T20. I mean, he could do wonders in Test matches. I mean, later on, if he gets a seaming wicket, he'll kill everyone. I am pretty
He,
sure about it.
absolutely.
So,
I agree. He
yeah,
is
I
full
mean,
of talent.
yeah,
Coming to the other half, I know that we did talk about Rajasthan Royals a lot. Kohli's team, RCB, this year they look like, they will be, I wouldn't even call them dark horses anymore. They're definitely, I think that they will finish ahead of Delhi, maybe even Mumbai. But
possible.
I think that bringing in Morris, now Morris got 4 wickets
Yeah,
today. And
yes, yes,
what wickets to have? Butler, uh,
yeah,
then Stokes,
yeah.
uh, who Smith, and I think the fourth one was who was the fourth one? I think Miller. Oh no, not Miller. He got 4 wickets. I know that Stokes, Smith, Butler, and Archer.
Yeah,
So he
he has
pretty
been doing
much
well consistently. He has been doing well consistently for most of the teams, but I still believe that RCB will not win the IPL just because of one reason that they don't have enough captaincy acumen at their disposal, so they won't win, but they will trouble the first four or last four, whatever you call them. I don't think so. They will win because they uh, under pressure they will crumble easily. I know
and
that.
I agree to a certain extent that RCB, if any other team in a situation like this today, RCB, I doubt even ABD, the great ABD that he is, I don't think he would have been able to pull that out against Bumrah. He wouldn't have been able to pull that out against
No, no,
Saini.
no, not at all, not at all. And trust me, Mumbai is if they are not in the finals, I'll be hugely surprised. They are playing like the perfect game every other game, and I see a Delhi Mumbai final, but RCB, I'll be hugely surprised if they get to the final. I don't like the way the captaincy works there, and they are too statistics oriented. I don't like that. And even after the last game, Kohli relied on the acumen of the coach rather than himself. And he said that in the press conference. And I don't like that for RCB and India, period, because you don't win huge games and finals like that.
And I mean, it's subtle differences if you're looking at the game. The difference in Kohli and Rohit Sharma's captaincy.
Yeah,
Kohli is a lot more expressive on the field.
yeah,
But if you look about it and you think about it, Rohit Sharma makes really aggressive decisions in the middle without showing anything on his face. Like he always has these fields which are set for wickets. He will
yeah,
bring in bowlers to grab wickets. Kohli,
right.
sometimes I feel that he lets the game drift. He trusts his batting more than he trusts his bowling, is what I feel. And Rohit tries to bring both the facets of the game together.
Yeah, it's just that, some people don't have that leadership streak. It's not anything against the great player that he is, just that some people are not meant to be that way and win great trophies and finals. And Sachin is a great example of that. He was never
Absolutely.
meant to. He was never meant to be a captain, and that's totally fair. I mean, I'm sure that but RCB should look at the future also of captaincy there because they need to create leaders. Kohli will burn out very soon and then they'll be with a void, huge void. So they need to make leaders. Rohit is he should have been captain a couple of years back before the World Cup, but I suppose Shreyas Iyer may take the cake from him.
I agree. And I, for one reason, definitely feel that Rahul is not meant for being a captain. Rahul is,
No, no, no.
the
No,
captaincy is showing up on him.
yeah, I think if you look at tenacity, Shreyas Iyer will score above everybody else. Rohit just that because he's not the future as in because he is 34, 35, is it?
33 now.
33, 33. So I won't look at him for captaincy. Uh, if you make him captain right now, that would be fair, but that won't happen until and unless India loses another World Cup in the future. So,
I mean, unfair to say that, and I hope it doesn't happen, but I would rather win a World Cup than have Rohit as a captain. So
dude, we are not winning a World Cup. Trust me with this captain. I'll be
I,
totally honest. You know that they won't win. You know that. You just can't say it.
I don't know. I mean, I'm keeping my hopes that the fact that they're the
Vijay
next
Shankar,
World Cup
really?
is.
Vijay
I think
Shankar.
that I mean, Rohit is untested in test matches for sure. But one dayers, I think Rohit might be a better captain than in the limited over editions.
Totally.
Rohit might
Totally.
be a better captain than Virat. Virat
Any day.
has that
Any day.
ability
Virat is
to.
a very good test captain because then he can use his fast bowlers. He's a fast bowlers
Yes,
captain. So he's a great test captain, but not white ball. He
not a white ball captain. I agree.
gets too worked up, man. It's not
So
yeah.
before we go, top four, what do you think from where we are
Delhi,
right now?
Delhi, Mumbai. Third is RCB. And the fight for the fourth one is going to get down to net run rate, I suppose, because it's going to be a tie.
Okay, I have a feeling it's going to be RCB, Mumbai, Delhi, and Rajasthan. I have a feeling that it
Wow.
may be Rajasthan or it may be
I love you. But
it
I
may be
don't.
Rajasthan or it may be Chennai. But I think Rajasthan has a better balance side. Chennai, the age is showing now.
Yeah, but Chennai could just scrape through. You never know.
Chennai, if they are there, they will be a force just because of the way they
And
have
let me
been in the
tell you,
past.
if they scrape through to the last four, if they do, and Watson just have two innings, it just has got two innings to come off, anything can happen.
Yeah. So quite a few exceptional talents that we saw, but let's just get your take on five players that you have seen Indians who
Yeah.
see to be knocking on the doors of the selectors and should get a chance in India.
Oh yes, I love some spinners actually. I love some spinners. Sundar has already got his chance, so I won't mention his name. The first one is of course Tewatia in the T20 format only. I love Palikal. He should be groomed. I won't mention Shubman because he has already made it. The third one would be I really like Murugan Ashwin. So I really like the look of him. Bishnoi has done really well. So these players, I believe, in the batting department, I I think Devdutt Pallikal is one who has really come off, and he has not gotten a chance. yet, so I would look at him. In the fast bowling department, there are some really good names like Kartik Tyagi. He has done really well, and even Tushar Deshpande has done really well. This is just his second game, but he has shown, that he has got that streak. In the I'm just talking T20s, not beyond that. So these are the names I'm excited about. But I really love Murugan Ashwin, who hasn't got a chance yet, but he could do well. Of course, I love Varun Chakravarti. He may get,
Yes, I was just about to mention Varun Chakravarti
yeah.
is
So these are the
somebody.
names I'm really excited about. But everybody has done well. In totality, Indian players have been the highlight of this IPL, I suppose.
And judging by how Ashwin is bowling, do you think he can make his one day comeback again?
He won't. He won't.
Don't
Not
think
because
so?
of his talent, not because of his talent, but the setup that is there in the Indian team. I don't think so. He'll make it.
Because if we are playing overseas, it's a choice between him and Jadeja, and I'll prefer Jadeja myself, just because of
I, yeah, yeah.
batting, bowling, fielding.
Yeah, there are some players who become favorites of a team because they are team players, and Jadeja is that kind of player. Whatever he does, he will be considered ahead of many other players. And because Ashwin is very outspoken and he is a leader, kind of a leader, so I don't think so he'll make it.
I agree with you. Kuldeep is sitting on the back burner as well, didn't get his chance or didn't really prove his worth
Sad,
this time around.
too sad.
But he's again, it will take a lot to take him out of the game just because of the Chinaman. That I
I
feel
think
is a
his
wicket taker
confidence.
overseas.
I think Kuldeep has nothing to do with what has happened to him. I
Yes,
think the Indian management screwed him up before the World Cup. They didn't play Chahal and Kuldeep together, and that's where both of them lost confidence, and
yes.
that's what cost us the World Cup because that was a USP, and after that he has not regained confidence because he lost form at that point of time. And after that, people also, look at your videos and stuff, and he hasn't been able to come back. But he is the one who could win you a World Cup. He's
He
that
can
talented.
win you games all by himself.
Yeah,
All right, Rohan,
yeah.
let's wrap it up for today. I hope we will meet again, and that
Yes,
time you probably might have some happier moments that have passed you.
yes,
But
yes, of course.
all right, guys, that's all that we have. So once again, I do say that if you do like this channel, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like it,
Subscribe,
leave it in the
guys.
comments. Sorry.
Subscribe. I'm saying
Yes.
subscribe. Yeah,
Thank you. Thanks, Rohan. And
great.
we will
Thank you.
talk again shortly. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.